Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Techies. In this video, I'll be covering all the free AI text generator that are available in market as of in 2023. So suppose it's a Friday afternoon and you are wrapping up your work and then suddenly your boss asks you for a presentation regarding a product, or you are a social media influencer who have to post something online every day to be socially relevant and popular. In all of these examples, though they are all different examples, but the context remain the same. That is, you have to write content and you have to write it fast. So in all of these scenarios, AI generator can help you a lot. What is an AI text generator? It's a software tool that uses AI technology to automatically generate content or text. It can be used to create a range of different type of contents like article, blog post, product descriptions, and even an entire book. While the world has been talking about ChatGPT a lot, there are some other amazing text generator also that are completely free and have greater quality in terms of the content they produce. In this video, I'll be discussing the three AI text generator which are absolutely free. First one is Writer. Writer is an AI writing software that uses GPT-3 technologies to automate the content writing process. Here I can start it. I have to log in from Google. I logged in. And here if you see, you have different type of use cases that you can follow, as well as tones also, like if you want it to be assertive or candid or casual. And the use cases, there are almost 30 templates and it covers everything. If you see in here, you have something like blog ideas. Let me write about something news. So here if you're seeing, it's providing us the outline, what is news curation, how to find relevant quality content and everything. And the conclusion is providing you all of the outlines. If I want, I can just go ahead and ask it to rephrase it or write a paragraph on it. That's the best thing about Writer, the kind of options that it provides here. So like if I want, I can ask it to generate a paragraph on this. And if you see, it has provided us a very good content. There are many other options also. Like if you suppose there is a job description and I'm saying like it's a software engineer, you can go ahead and provide us those information. If you see, it has provided us a very good software engineer JD. The best thing about it is that you can rephrase it. You rephrase the sentence. So suppose I don't like this sentence, I can go ahead and rephrase it. If you see, the words are better. In terms of the quality of content, I'll be giving Writer 4.5 in 5 because it has a very good content. The only cons with this is like you have a 10,000 limit. So if you go in here, if I have a 10k limits and it gets credited back each month. The next one I'm going to talk about is ScaleNut. ScaleNut is powered by natural language processing. The thing that differentiates it from the other text generator is that it's highly SEO optimized. Provides you insights on trending topic keywords and give you a better understanding of what your audience is interested in. I can go into my account. You can also log in. Since I'm already logged in, so I can directly go into my account and you can come to its dashboard. The SEO optimization is a core of this text generator. It has provided you special options like how you can optimize your content. Like you have something like content optimizer, where if you put your content, it will provide you keywords that are more SEO optimized. If you go back to the dashboard, you can see it has all of the other options like creating an article in 5 minutes. The one thing I like about this is like optimizing existing content. So like if I go in here, I can add my content and it will optimize. If you go below, you will see that you can download a Chrome extension also, create a social media post. Let me try something like this and let's see what's generating. If you see, it has provided so many witty options. So the thing I like about ScaleNut is like it has large amount of options to choose from, and it has the content optimizer where you can optimize your existing content also. But as content wise, I find it pretty average. So for me, the ranking will go like something like 4.3, 4.4. Now the last one that I want to cover is Content Bot. It's definitely innovating a lot and it has way more options than other text generator. Let's go ahead and I can quickly show you what options we have. First, you have to create an account in here. This is the first dashboard that you have. It also comes with Chrome extension. The only cons here is like it also have a credit options. Like right now if you see, I only have this much credit left. But coming back to the dashboard, these are the three forms that it provides. The first one is like long form. Here it's also SEO optimized, and content wise also it's pretty good. It has provided you different options. You can create a press release, you can create a blog copy or a blog bundles to generate 10 to 50 blog posts in just 30 minutes. In the same option, in the dashboard option, if you go to the short form, here we can add small like having blog topic ideas that's or talking points or tweet. There are some options that I like here also, like explain it like a professor. It's an easy way of making you sound smart. Or the talking points. Whenever I'm going out for any presentation or something, this is something that I like to go through. So if you see, it has various range of templates and the quality wise also it's pretty good. For me, contentbot.ai is a clear winner. This was it for this video. Do like this video and comment in the channel what text generator you like best and which you will be using more. Thank you, and please join me back in the next video of what's new in tech.